Welcome to our tutorial on how to back up your data on Twitter on PC. Let's go through the steps together. To initiate the backup process, click or tap on More in the main navigation menu located to the left of your timeline. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the options presented. In the Settings menu, choose Your Account to access account-related settings. Select Download and Archive of your data to begin the process of creating a backup of your Twitter data. You will be prompted to confirm your password before proceeding. Once confirmed, select Request Archive to initiate the data archive request. After a period of time, you will receive an email containing the link to access your data archive. Open the email from Twitter and click on the provided link to access the archive page. On the archive page, locate and click on the option to download data in order to save your data archive on your device. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your data on Twitter on your PC, ensuring that your account information and data are securely stored and accessible for future reference. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of backing up your data on Twitter on PC. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your Twitter data safely backed up for your convenience.